Hello everyone, good morning. I am Ketki Pednekar and I'll be taking the Zentangle workshop today. Today we'll be doing a Zentangle artwork of a lady in the hat. So we'll be using Camel Premium Sketchbook for the artwork, and then we'll be using Camel Fine Liners as well. So we have 6 different pens and you have 6 different tips right from 0.8 to 0.05. So 0.8 is nothing but you have thicker lines, whereas the 0.05 is the thinnest one of all. So we'll be starting with 0.8 marker fine liner, and we'll be drawing the outline. So I have already sketched out the outline with pencil here, and I'll directly start with outlining with 0.8 fine liner. So basically, as I said, Zentangles are nothing but it's a Japanese art concept wherein you actually have repetitive art patterns, simple patterns. They don't have to be like complicated, and then you have that stress relieving effect on your mind. Again, Zentangle is most simplest art form, I would say, because there's no right and wrong in Zentangles. So I'm just outlining with 0.8 fine liner right now. Now again, these patterns are not specific for this particular artwork. You can use, mix and match all of these patterns and make maybe hundreds and thousands of your own artworks. And once you get the hang of it, you can also create your own patterns as you go on. Like when all of these patterns come together, the artwork might look a little bit complicated, but it's not really that complicated. So it's pretty beginner friendly. And now for the interior details, I'll be using 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3 fine liners. So I'll be using 0.3 fine liner just by drawing a bifurcation in the hat, and I'll divide it into smaller triangles. So if you can see, there is a slight difference between the thickness of the outline and the interior line. So now once this is done, I'll use 0.1 fine liner and I'll draw smaller triangles inside. And now I'll color in these smaller triangles. For the outline that I used, it was 0.8. The detailings which I'll be doing, I'll be using 0.3, 0.1 and 0.2. Now for the bottom part of the heart, I'm using the same 0.1 fine liner and I'll be drawing these scallops. So 3 and then the next one. So it's just repeating the patterns. And again, you can use all of these patterns and create n number of your own drawings. So now once this is done, I will use 0.3 marker to fill in the first scallop of all of these. So this is how it looks. Now again, we'll be using 0.1 marker and we'll be starting with a different pattern here. So we are just going to add some swirls. And I'll be doing the same pattern here. So drawing just a few spirals. And while doing this, make sure that all of those spirals are not of same size. That like if they are of same size, there's no depth as such. So you can have them of different sizes. So this is how it looks now. And again, we'll be using 0.3, or you can also use 0.5 marker to fill in these smaller gaps in between. I mean, you can see the difference between these two, like this looks a little bit more defined. Again, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well. So I'm just filling in all of these gaps. For the central pattern, we are going back to point 1. So now we just have to draw a squiggly line and then follow the similar path. This is how it looks, and now we're just going to draw a wave pattern around it. And now we are going to draw lines radiating outwards in the wave pattern. So draw a central line and keeping that as a center, draw lines radiating outwards. This is how it looks so far. Now we are going to fill in all of this blank space with, let us use 0.8 because the gaps are too big. So we'll be using 0.8 liner to fill in this gap. Yeah, I'm just leaving a little bit of gap around and I will fill in this gap. Now filling in the bottom part of the hat. Again the same thing, leaving a little bit of edge around the design and filling in the rest of it. Now we'll come down to the face of the lady. I am using 0.1 fine liner and I'm just going to draw some semicircles similar to the scallop design which we had done earlier, but I'm going to do 5 to 7 concentric arcs and then similarly in the other direction. So this is a small tip here, like you can balance out your entire design using this technique. You have a lot of darker shades here in the hat, so just mellow it down in the adjacent designs. This is how it looks so far. Again, now we'll start with the earring, and for that I'm going to use 0.3 fine liner. So I'm just going to draw a circle inside, similarly at the bottom. Now for the neck, we are again going to fill in the entire thing with black. Again, I'm going to use 0.8 marker. Also, while filling in the entire thing, please make sure that the strokes are in a similar direction. So that just gives it a bit of a finished look. So now for the necklace, I'm going to use 0.5 marker. And again, I'm going to divide the entire thing into smaller triangles. And then again, I'll be using 0.1 fine liner. And what I'm going to do is, like starting from the edge of the triangle, I'm going to draw lines radiating outwards. Now we'll be starting with this part. So like I am going to use 0.5 marker and we are going to draw a checkered pattern. Now we have to fill in the alternate squares. Again, I'm going to use 0.8. Also, you can use Camlin watercolors or poster colors as a background of this, and then draw this entire thing on the top. It will have a different effect altogether. Now we'll be starting with the gloves. So again, I am going to use 0.8 fine liner, and I'm just going to double line. So if you see in the reference image here, this outline is thicker than the rest. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to double line the entire thing. We are going to start with the glove pattern, and I'm going to use a 0.2 marker fine liner for this, and I'm just going to draw slanting lines. So you can draw 6-7 lines, and then again few lines in different direction. So it's similar to the arc design which we used for the face. So this is how it looks so far. Now we'll start with the belt pattern. So for that, I am just going to draw 3 lines going in the direction of the belt, giving some space, and then again 3 lines. I am using 0.2 fine liner, and then I'm going to draw lines perpendicular to it. So basically we are creating checkered pattern using 3 lines here. I am using a 0.8 marker to just define the edge of the belt. And now for the dress pattern, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to draw some parallel lines. Draw this leaf vein pattern going in alternate direction. So for this, like if you want, you can actually draw it with pencil first. There's basically bunch of parallel lines, and then we are just drawing these angular lines. I'm using 0.2 fine liner for this. And for any pattern, like if you feel the pattern is a bit difficult, you can always draw it with a pencil first and then go in with the liner. And now for the bottom part, we are going to use the similar design, but we are going to do it vertically. So just few vertical parallel lines. Maybe you can fill in the alternate boxes here to create a different pattern. So yeah, this is how the finished artwork looks like. So yeah, if you have created this artwork with me right now, so you can post it on your stories and tag Kokuyo Camlin and my page, that is Magic Palette, and we would really love to see all your creations.